How to set up Face ID lock on Samsung phone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio, and today's guide will show you how you can easily set up Face ID lock on any Samsung Galaxy smartphone. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to set up the Face ID lock, you just need to go and open up the settings app from your Samsung phone, and from the settings you just need to scroll down a little bit and you'll get the options security and privacy. Just need to tap on this, and from the security and privacy just need to scroll down a little bit, and inside the security here we get the biometrics. You just need to tap on this, and inside this one here you get the first option, face recognition. You just need to go ahead and tap on this. Now go ahead and tap on register face and then tap continue and register your Face ID. Now your Face ID has been enabled, and from now every time you're gonna unlock your phone, this will record your Face ID. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel, or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.